Namaste बच्चों, I am C. Roshan Kumar and we together are doing exercise 1B, right? Exercise 1B. In that we have already done with problem number 17, I believe, in last class, right? Okay, so quickly finish it up. Problem number 18 we'll do. Okay. Problem number 18, beta. Read out. All of you, page number 1.13. Turn the page number 1.13. Business Mathematics, paper 3. Study material itself, you have to turn it. Go through your study material, ICAI study material, page number 1.13. You will find question number how much? Question number 18, beta. Okay. So question number 18, they are saying the number they are saying the number 14, 16, 35 and 42 are not in proportion. The fourth term for which they will be in proportion is, now they are asking this term, fourth term, for which it will be in proportion. So say it would be kya? X. Now as you know, if there is A is to B equal to C is to D, then what you used to do? Multiplication of extreme, right? Multiplication of extreme equal to multiplication of mean, right? It's as simple as such. See, nothing but cross multiplication we are equating, that's all, right? So now you tell me what would be the equation into x, because fourth term we have assumed as x. 16 multiplied by 35 beta. So tell me x equal to how much? 16 35 divided by 14. 2 7 ja 2 8 ja 7 5 ja, so 8 into 5 equal to beta 40. And do you have any option? Yes sir, B number is the option. That's all. It's very simple. Okay. Now 19th they are saying x by y equal to z by w. X by y equal to z by w. Okay. So implies what? Y by x w by z. Can you see something? Yes sir, this term has been reversed, y by x, and this term has been reversed, w by z. So I taught you something while explaining theoretical aspects. I have taught you something is called kya beta? Invertendo, right? In that, how we derived? Simply we derived, sir. What we did? X by y equal to 1 by z by w. That we can do, no? Both the sides same treatments we can do, and this became y by x and here w by z. So this particular concept was called invertendo. Now they are asking you name of that particular concept. See, first option they have given is dividendo. First option dividendo, so that is not the one. Second option they are saying componendo, that is not the one. Third option they are saying beta alterendo, that is also not the one, because this is kya? Invertendo. So D option they are saying none of these, means this option would be the answer. That's all. As simple as such. Okay, you just have to focus on concept and things are done. 20 you see, 20 they are saying P by Q beta is equal to R by S is equal to P minus r by q minus s, r by q minus s, then the process is called q minus s. This is not like that. They are saying p minus r q minus s. Okay, p by q equal to r by s, and that if implies in this term, then what is the name of this particular concept? What is the name of this particular concept? Right? Option they have given is A, substendo. Look at the beauty. P by Q equal to R by S. I told you in case of substendo, simply you can do denominator and numerator, you just have to reduce from each term, one term to another, right? So first one being from first term, second we have reduced, that is called kya? Substendo, right? Substendo. And this option you have, so A number would be the answer, right? You just have to write the name of this particular concept. Very simple. Few of them will be very simple, so nothing to worry. 21 you tell me now. 21 you have is A by B. 21 you have is A by B equal to beta C by D. A by B equal to C by D implies क्या? A plus B divided by A minus B equal to C plus D divided by C minus D. So if you remember, I have taught you how to derive the answer as well, right? Isn't it? No sir. So I will derive it for you so that you can tell me the name. First part, A by B simply plus 1, C by D simply plus 1. We can do, right? Both the side same treatment we can do. A plus B divided by how much? A by B. C plus D divided by how much? D. Now second part, A by B minus 1, C by D minus 1. So A minus B divided by B, C minus D divided by D. Now divide equation 1 by 2. तो वह क्या मिलेगा हमें? A plus B divided by B divided by A minus B divided by B. यहाँ पे C plus D divided by D divided by C minus D divided by D, right? Right sir. Here you see B and B got cancelled, D and D got cancelled, so the resultant is left with A plus B divided by A minus B equal to C plus D divided by C minus D. That implies they have asked the same term. However, they are not asking you to derive, right? They are asking you the name. And this particular concept is called क्या? Componendo and dividendo. This is called componendo and beta dividendo. So C, is there any option? Sir, C number is the option. Very good. चलिए 21 22 देख लो. 22 में क्या है? If U by V, okay, equal to W by P, U by V equal to W by P, so U minus V divided by U plus V, okay, and equal to W minus P divided by W plus P. Now see beta, this is also same term. If you will do the calculations I did first part and second part, and then you have to dividing. There we did 1 by 2, here we have to do 2 by 1, and then we will get this particular term. Okay, so still this term is called kya? Componendo and dividendo. This term is called componendo and beta dividendo, right? Dividendo. Still this term is called componendo and dividendo. However, this option is there in option. Out of your 4 option, first one they are saying कि it's invertendo, बिल्कुल गलत. Second one saying it's alterendo, बिल्कुल गलत. C saying edendo, nana, and D saying none of these. So yes, none of these, because this name has not been referred anywhere. So none of these, right? Right. So 23 कर लेते हैं बच्चा. 23 they are asking 12, 16 and they have given star and 20 are in proportion. Then star आपको बोला है कि this equal to what? So say this equal to कितना बेटा? X. That's all. Now you are going to solve the same formula. Extreme, product of extreme and product of means, that is 12 by 6 equal to x by 20. 16 multiplied by x, 12 multiplied by 20, x equal to 12 multiplied by 20 divided by कितना? 16. Okay, yes. Here what you will do? 4 4 ja 16, 4 3 ja 12, 4 5 ja 20. So the resultant would be beta 3 multiplied by 5, 5 3 ja 15. Is there any option? Yes sir, C number is the option. That's all. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? Okay, now we'll do 24, 24, 24, 24. 23 is done, so obviously 24. 24 they are asking 4, again this twinkle twinkle, and 9, and beta you have 13 purnang 1 by 2. How to write this particular term I have already taught you. Again I will tell. This you can write 13 multiplied by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. कहने का मतलब 13 दूनी 26, 27 by 2, और 13 plus 1 by 2 means half. If you will divide 1 by 2 means obviously 0.5 will come, so 13.5. So however you feel like writing, you please write. Okay, don't get confused. यहाँ पे again हमारा काम वही है. Say x should be this, then what you will do? Same thing, 4 by x equal to 9 by, I will write 27 by 2. I feel comfortable with this. That's all. Okay, now beta क्या होगा? Cross computation. So 4 multiplied by 27 by 2. Okay, am I right? Right sir, you are always right sir. Then 4 multiplied by 27, this is multiplication, so this will go as a division sir. So 2 2 ja 4, 9 3 ja 27. So what would be the resultant? 2 multiplied by 3 means 6. Is there any option like this? Yes sir, A number is the option. Very simple. Fine beta. 25 now. 25 you have is the mean proportions between 1.4 gm and 5.6 gm. Mean proportion between how much? Between 1.4 gram 1.4 grams and 5.6 grams. They are saying between. Analyze the questions. So 1.4 is first term, this is going to be third term, and between some term would have been there. इसको हम क्या कहेंगे बेटा, x मानते हैं, ठीक है. Now if you remember, a is to b equal to b is to c. This is continuing. So ये क्या होता था, continuing प्रोपोर्शन और कंटिन्यूस प्रोपोर्शन का एक केस होता था. इसको हम ऐसे भी लिखते थे, a is to b is to c. यहाँ भी कुछ ऐसा ही फॉर्म है ना, a b and c. And then I told you, if this is the case, then simply you can write down the formula b equal to ac. Many time I have derived this formula, so I don't think right now I have to show you, right? चलो बता देता हूँ, नहीं तो कुछ बच्चे बीच में आते हैं तो अल्पत्र पड़ जाता है. Now tell me, b square ac. If a square you have to remove, then what you have to do? b equal to ac. That's all. This is only deriving the formula. Now you tell me, in this form, what will be the answer? What would be the answer? 1.4 multiplied by 5.6. Right? Right, sir. So if you will multiply 1.4 and this, it will become somewhere for 7.84. Yes. And if you will do 7.84, 2.8 multiplied by 2.8, and I told if there is root under, then 1 can come out. 2.8. Would you please tell me, is there any option? Yes sir, B number is the option beta. That's all. चलिए, now 26 quickly we'll finish. 26 they're asking a by 4, b by 5, c by 9. Then a plus b plus c divided by c is. Multiple time I have done this for you. 2 times is already done. Now I am doing 3rd time. No issue. Simply I told addendo में क्या होता है कि न्यूमरेटर को ऐड कर दो, फिर डिनोमिनेटर को ऐड कर दो. बच्चा a प्लस बी प्लस सी इक्वल टू 14-18 हो जाएगा. राइट सर. एंड सिंस these terms are in proportion, the sum of the term would be in proportion. So equating, I told what they are asking, C means they would have equated this term. 18. Proportion is equal to sum of proportion. So 9. Now you tell me a plus b plus c divided by c. बेटा प्रैक्टिस तो करना पड़ेगा, नो शॉर्टकट. ओके, प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. 1 बार नहीं, 2 बार नहीं, 3 बार नहीं, जितना बार में समझ आता है करना है. You can watch the video multiple times. There is no fee for it, right? So nothing to worry. If you have not understood in first time, please go ahead and watch second time, third time, fourth time. And remember, shortcut does not help you. First you learn the concept, you learn the problems, and obviously after multiple practices you will be hero in this. So as soon as looking at the problem, you should not get scared, because you have not devoted your time to it, isn't it? And to understand anything, you have to give some time, right? You have to give some time. So please give some time, practice, and then if you are not understanding, let me know. And I'm very open to you. That's why I have given my number, personal number, to contact, right? So you may contact me, ask me over WhatsApp. I'll give you the time and we can talk. I will personally explain you the concept. Okay, nothing to worry. It's very simple. Mathematics is very simple, and as you can see how much fun we are having while solving the problem, right? Each and every concept are clear, and simply it's going on flow, isn't it? So if I can, you also can, and you can solve it better than me. Okay, so be positive and follow me, call me, I will help you out. Okay, ओके सर, चलो 27th नंबर का प्रॉब्लम हम देख लेते हैं फटाफट, आज ख़त्म करना है बेटा हमको। 27 what you have is two number are in the ratio of 3:4. If 6 be added to each term of the ratio, then the new ratio would be 4:5. Then the number are. It's one of the very easiest problems. See, while reading you may not understand, but as I will explain, you will come to know each and everything. So nothing to worry. Okay, nothing to worry, I said. Okay beta, so first one we will analyze it. Two number are in the ratio, means there are first of all two numbers, ratios are how much? 3:4, and you have to calculate that two number only. So say those numbers are x:y, that's all. यहाँ तक किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं। वो दो नंबर क्या है, तो मान लिया मैंने x and y है। अगला बोलता है if c be added to each term of the ratio, then the new ratio becomes what? x/5. So if 6 is added, then ratio is how much beta? Then ratio is 4:5. कहने का मतलब x plus c is to y plus 6. If I am doing, the ratio becomes 4:5. That's all. Now you got two equation. You know what to do. Yes sir. So equation 1, x by y equal to 3/4, or x equal to 3y/4. right, इसको हम यूज करेंगे। Now equation 2 क्या मैंने बोला था? x plus 6 y plus 6 4:5. x plus 6 y plus 6 equal to 4/5. x plus 6 multiplied by 5, cross multiplication, that's all, your favorite. y plus 6, tell me beta, 5x plus 6 5 30, 4y plus 6 4 24. Now put the value of x. कहाँ से सर? यहाँ से हमने डिराइव किया ना वैल्यू ऑफ x, 3y/4. So simply 5 multiplied by 3y/4, 4. Okay, and bring this y this side. So this is in plus term, this side it will come minus term, right? Okay, now you see, so y we have brought this side, and this we have to bring this side. So further simplification, that's all. Step by step you do, nothing to hurry up. 5 3s are 15y divided by 4 minus 4y equal to minus 6. Is that all right? Yes sir. Now you tell me, this kind of sum I have taught you. 15y minus, if nothing is there then 1, so 4 divided by 1, 4 4s are 16y, this is 15y minus 6. So this would be y/4 minus 6. Now something common both the side, क्या? इसको हटा दो, right? Minus minus get cancelled, So y equal to 6 multiplied by 4, that is 24 beta. Okay, y equal to 24. Now you got value of y. Now put value of y in equation 1. That's all. In equation 1. Now tell me, equation 1 you have is in front of you. X equal to 3y by 4. X equal to 3 multiplied by y. Y in the sense 24 divide by 4. 6 24, 3 into 6 18. कहने का मतलब that number x is to y is equal to how much? 18 is to 24. 18 is to 24. 18 and 24. Option number C. C you have. Right? Right sir. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया? आया sir. Now we'll do 28. 28. 3 more question to go. Okay. 28 you have a by 4 divided by b by 5. Then they are asking a plus, no, then they have given 4 option. They have given you 4 option and you have to identify. Okay. Now I have taught you one concept called componendo and dividendo, right? Componendo and dividendo. In that 2 term you have to do. A by 4 plus 1 equal to b by 5 na, b by 5 plus 1. So a plus 4 divided by 4, b plus 5 divided by 5. Second term a by 4 minus 1, b by 5 minus 1, a minus 4 divided by 4, b minus 5 divided by 5. Now what you did, डिविडेंडो का टर्म डिवाइडिंग, तो ये तो कंपोनेंडो किया, अब डिविडेंडो डिवाइडिंग 1/2. सो a plus 4 divided by 4, a minus 4 divided by 4. Here also b plus 5 divided by 5, b minus 5 divided by 5. Now cut, and then the resultant you are left with a plus 4, a minus 4, b plus 5, b minus 5. See if any option. A plus 4 divided by a minus. Yes, a number is the option. That's all. So each and every concept almost similar kind of 4 to 5 concept which I taught, properties of proportions, that only is revolving, right? And let me tell you, it's not that these are the questions simply has been given for your practice. These are the questions which has been taken into examinations. Okay, so you have to be careful, beta. You have to be careful. Okay, don't neglect. You do solve the questions on the paper so that you will get the clear concept. ठीक है जी, ठीक है सर. 29 they are saying a is to b equal to 4 is to a, then a by b plus b by a. They are asking if that is the case, then tell me this particular. So any one of you please tell me what is happening. A by b, this is normal term, but b by a, here something is being done, that is invertendo. What you will do, sir, both the term we will calculate first, both the term we will calculate and then we will sum it. So part 1, a by b equal to 4 by 1 is there. Yes sir. They are asking you root, तो कर दो ना root. प्रॉब्लम क्या है, रूट तो हम बोथ साइड कर ही सकते हैं. यस सॉरी, so a by b, now 2 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 1 root under, तो मैं कहूँ, कहो सर, 2 by 1. so root under a by b, root under a by b equal to how much beta, 2 by 1. okay, means this term we found. hello, this term we found. now we have to find out this term. अब बेटा एक बात बताओ, यहाँ पे जो कंसेप्ट यूज हो रहा है इस टर्म में, वो हो रहा है invertendo. and invertendo what we did 1 divided by a by b equal to 1 divided by 4 by 1. okay, so b by a equal to how much beta, 1 by 4. अब इसका रूट तो हम कर ही सकते हैं ना, कर सकते हैं सर. का फर्क पड़ता है जी, b by a equal to 1 by 2. am I right? right sir. so we got value of this term as well, now simply you put the value a by b 2 by 1, b by a how much, 1 by 2. now you do the sum, 2 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5 by 2. is there any option beta? yes, a number is the option. सिंपल है सर. थोड़ा तो लॉजिकली आपको सोचना पड़ेगा कि हो क्या रहा है, एंड दैट यू विल बी एबल टू अप्रिशिएट ओनली इफ यू हैव वॉच्ड द थियोरेटिकल पोर्शन एंड देन यू हैव बीन डूइंग क्वेश्चन अलोंग विथ मी. ओके, प्लीज डू इट, प्लीज डू ऑन योर पेपर. नाउ यू सी 30 नंबर x डिवाइड बाय b प्लस c माइनस a, y divided by c plus a minus b, z divided by a plus b minus c. And then they are asking you, then give me the value of b minus c multiplied by x plus c minus a multiplied by y plus a minus b multiplied by z. Now when the students see this kind of questions, they will get scared. Beta, nothing to get scared. You just have to think logically. This is easiest questions you have done. This is easiest questions you have done till now. Okay, how in the sense, I'll let you know. But you know, this is only magic of mathematics. Until it gets solved, you will be like, oh my god, what kind of questions it is. Once it's solved, that's all. You will be like, what the question, what is there in these questions? Easiest questions ever. Okay, how you will do? So I told you, and now whenever I will solve it, you will remember if you have watched my previous lectures. X by b plus c minus a, see what I am doing, y by c plus a minus b equal to z by a plus b minus c equal to k. say sir, somewhere you have done equal to k and then you have derived something. You are right, now equating one by one. so first, x by b plus c minus a equal to k, hence x equal to k multiplied by b plus c minus a. same way to y divided by c plus a minus b equal to k, hence y equal to k c plus a minus b. okay, now thirdly we will equate z divided by a plus b minus c. तो z divided by a plus b minus c, is that a plus b minus c? yeah, equal to k, hence बोलो z equal to k multiplied by a plus b minus c. Okay, now equating the value of x, y and z in z respectively लिख दो, respectively respectively we get. अब बताओ क्या वैल्यू आपको पूछा था निकालने के लिए, बोला है कि b माइनस सी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई एक्स प्लस c माइनस ए मल्टीप्लाइड बाई वाई प्लस a माइनस बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई जेड. तो आपको क्या करना है, b माइनस सी, x का वैल्यू पुट करो. x का वैल्यू कितना है, x का वैल्यू है k b प्लस सी माइनस ए, राइट. k b plus c minus a, am I right? See, you should be able to appreciate this, you should be able to appreciate it. Plus c minus a, k, y का वैल्यू बताइए, y का वैल्यू बताइए. c प्लस a माइनस बी, c प्लस a माइनस बी प्लस a माइनस बी, z का वैल्यू k मल्टीप्लाइड बाय हाउ मच, जेड का वैल्यू बताओ, आपके सामने है a प्लस बी माइनस सी. ओके 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 सर. नाउ देयर इज समथिंग कॉमन एवरीवेयर. क्या है कॉमन सर, k k k. so what you will do, common you will remove. Okay, now this will become what, b minus c, b plus c minus a plus c minus a, c plus a minus b plus a minus b, a plus b minus c. Now it's a damn easy. What you have to do is, you simply has to do plus and minus multiplication action, and then every term you have to reduce. Plus and minus activities you have to do, treatment you have to do. So it's very simple. Let's see where I'll do it here only for you. Okay, now see, k remains as it is here, b multiplied with each term, then c multiplied with each term. So this I'll do in this color itself. This is b square, okay, plus bc, how, b multiplied by c minus b a. Now here c का treatment, so this is bc, c into c minus c square minus c minus a. This will be how much, minus minus plus ac. Is that all right? All right sir. Plus now another treatment, you tell me, c multiplied by c, so this is c square, c multiplied by a plus ac, c multiplied by b, bc. Now this minus a minus, so this is minus ac minus a plus a. This is going to be a square minus a minus b, minus minus plus ab, right, right sir. Plus another term you see, a, so a square, a b, this is ab, a c, तो minus ac. Okay, now minus b minus, so this is going to be minus ab, okay, minus b plus b, minus b square minus b plus c plus bc, right, right sir. Now simply you have to see here, b square, this is plus, fine, yes, minus b square, see, minus b square and plus b square got cancelled, plus bc, bc, c, plus bc minus bc got cancelled, ab minus ab minus ab minus c, minus ab, and here you see plus ab got cancelled. Yes sir. C square minus c square plus c square got cancelled. AC, A and C, here BC, C here, plus AC and minus AC got cancelled. Again plus AC minus AC got cancelled. Minus BC, yes, minus BC and C here, minus BC, and this is your plus BC got cancelled. Minus A square plus A square got cancelled. Oh my god, all got cancelled. Plus AB and minus AB got cancelled. Whew, nothing is left. So here what you are left with, K multiplied by laddu. Oh my god, that is 0. Is there any option? C, 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 C. Yes sir, B number is the option. B number is the option. Beta, with this we are done with kya? Exercise 1B, right? Exercise 1B. I appreciate if what you will do, if you will watch theory portion and then start solving question. As I have told, one time if you do not understand, nothing to worry. There are many who do not understand. I myself do not understand the things very easily, okay? And that was the problem with me while doing CA also. So I had to put the time, I had to put the effort, okay? And I know you guys are also so committed, and you gonna put your time, put your effort, okay? And then obviously you will become hero one day, right? In one day nothing is possible, okay? But obviously there will be some day where you will be successful. So nothing to worry, okay? If today you are not understanding, nothing to worry. You please practice. You will come to know, interest will arise, and one day you will be hero. That's all. That's what I know. So beta, with this we'll finish this chapter, okay? And then we'll I'll see you in next chapter, in fact, okay? So tomorrow we'll start a fresh new chapter. Fine. For now, take care, good day, and bye bye.